welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Different setting for my filming today because my dining room is being occupied. Very far behind on videos. This is the June Boxyluxe box from BOXYCHARM. It is now August. So I'm really far behind, but I couldn't wait any longer because this is my favorite box and I haven't opened it yet. So I need to film just so I can unbox it. So this is, so that there's something patchouli-y in there. So this is an add-on subscription. So my base box is $25 a month, and then this is an additional $24.99 US every 3 months. Let's get into it. So, like I said, BOXYCHARM is my favorite subscription box that I receive. I do pay for it, as well as all of my other subscription boxes myself. So, I can be very opinionated, because this is how I really feel about it. But generally, this is my favorite box. So, that is what it looks like. I think it's supposed to be for the BOXYLUXE at $200, $300 value. At least, and for the base box it's $100. So this is our card. The theme is, what does that say? Dare to dazzle. And then on the back it will have the prices of everything that's inside. And look at what's on the top. Nars. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, so let's go for the top. So from Nars, it's a blush. I wonder if it's the Orgasm. That would be nice. So that's their most popular color, I believe. So it's really nice packaging. And it is in the shade Orgasm. Whoop! I was like gonna crush it my first time opening it. So that is the color. It's got a nice shimmer to it. So it's a really nice, pretty, shimmery pink shade. It's not a bad start, guys. And I apologize in advance if you can hear my husband in the background. He's just in the next room. But there's nowhere else in the house for me to film it. So it is what it is. Well, let's see what else we got. Oh, I think this might be what I'm smelling, the patchouli hippie smell. So, pardon me. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Sorry about that. Oh, my eyes are watering. So, my box is falling. This is from Smith French Dublin. Is that the brand? Yes. It's the fresh green leaves, aromatic hand wash, wild pine, woodland, mint, and rosemary. Oh, that's why I'm smelling rosemary. An invigorating hand wash power packed with uplifting essences helps to clear the mind, energize, and inspire. I think that would be a good soap for the kitchen. Very nice. Not very exciting, but it's all right. All right, next up from Aromatherapy Associates London. A Revive Body Gel, Energize, and Awaken. Also, this has rosemary too. Grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper to even out the appearance of skin glow and texture and to maintain a healthy glow. I do like that it evens out skin tone. I got very red here. My skin's very red here. Not terribly exciting, but it's alright. Again, it's just okay. Next up, oh, Elemis. Okay, we're back on track. So this is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser with pumpkin, acerola, cherry, mango butter. Cleanses, brightens, nourishes. And what was this? Body gel. Okay. So we've got a hand soap, a body gel, and now a cleansing butter for our face. So we're going to be super clean. I just love the color of that. I like to, look at that, it's not even full. Oh my gosh, it drives me crazy. I do like to organize my skincare by color. It doesn't really have a strong scent, so this will be a nice I don't think I have an orange skincare bottle, so that'll be nice. But look, like, it's not even full. That's really irritating. Make the jar smaller. It doesn't need to be this big then. Thank goodness we started off on a high note with the Nars. I mean, Elemis is a great brand. It's one of my favorite skincare brands, but we already got 3 cleansers. If there's another cleanser in here, I'm not going to be very happy. Oh, look, it's Dr. Brandt. It's a face cream. So not a cleanser. Triple antioxidant face cream, visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. I do like this brand very much. I use a Dr. Brandt spray toner every morning. So it's just a face cream. What does it say? Hashtag say I love you with pride. Oh, that's nice. It's really pretty. Very pretty. Not a lot of makeup, guys. Let's go. And if there's a Cab Cosmetics thing in here, I'm gonna lose my S. H-I-T. What's this? A cleanser? Oh, from Avant. I get this product a lot, this brand in Glossy Box a lot. So this is the Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin B3 Mint Glycerin Collagen ISPO Paraffin Benzoic Caprylyl Glycol Tropolone Hexandiol Age Nutri Revive Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. This is a very expensive brand, so I'm sure that this is worth at least $70. And it's a serum, so it's probably even more than that. So I won't waste it by testing it. Just want to see how it... It's got a doe foot applicator. I don't think I've ever seen that for a serum. Oh, it's a lip serum. Did I say that? Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. So it's a lip serum. Okay. Don't get a lot of those, so that's nice to have. All right, next up we've got from Benefit, the Brow Styler. Multitasking pencil and powder for brows. Soft and full powder. Clean and shaped wax pencil. Bold and defined wax pencil and powder. Multi-purpose then. I do like Benefit's brow products. I feel like I've got a mini one of these in another box. Because that's very distinct, unique packaging. It's very pretty. So it looks like one side will have, yes, so one side has the brow pencil. So let's just see what kind of lines we can get with that. It's a nice, not too dark brown, so probably great for a lot of different hair colors. And then the other side has got, what do we call this? This is the powder. Oh. So I guess that is this here. What do I do with that? What does that do? What does the powder do? I have the memory of a goldfish. Oh, it's waterproof. Nice. So it's a loose filling powder, soft, buildable, natural looking. I have pretty full brows, but it's nice just to define them a little bit more. I like to make them a little bit darker. So there's that. And then this looks like the last thing here. What is it? So what's the brand on this? The Word Woke. Is that the brand? This is a cool steam eye mask. Intense hydration reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. Okay. It's an eye mask, adjustable length and strap, hot cold gel. So reusable heating and cooling gels. 3 heat cells, use anywhere, anytime. Okay. So first thing we get is a pink silky satin eye mask. The steam session, so this reduces puffy eyes and dark circles. So we got 3 of those. And then we got 2, so these are for the hot cold gels. So you would slip this into either side of this, warm it up or cool it down. I mean, it's all right. I mean, it's good to relax, especially, you know, with what we've been going through for the last year and a half. It's not very exciting, and I like to get BOXYCHARM because of the makeup. And BOXYLUXE, I mean, I feel like they dropped the ball on this one, because these are the only 2 makeup items I got. And, you know, I wouldn't really consider this makeup. No eyeshadows. You know, I love my eyeshadows. We got the blush in this. Don't love this box. I'm actually kind of disappointed because this is my favorite box. Let's see what our prices are. Alright, so the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Usually Elemis stuff is very expensive. This is only $38 and it is a new launch. The Nars blush is $30. The Benefit Cosmetics brow styler is $34. The Avant Skincare Lip Serum, $122. See, that's expensive. And that's where most of the value of my box is going to come from, so I'm not really excited about that. The Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask, $49.99. This is also a new launch. Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel, $46 for a body gel. Would never pay that. The Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, $64. And the Smith French Dublin, $25 for this hand wash. I also want to spend $25 on hand wash. Nope. Get it at the dollar store. So let me add this up and see what we have. Okay, so for $50-ish, my box is valued at almost $409. Now, over a quarter of that is just this lip serum. I don't know. I don't love this box, guys. But, oh, I don't like it. So let's, I've gotten much better base boxes. I need more makeup heavy, please. But I'll pick my favorites based on what I got. So I'm going to go with the Nars eyeshadow. And then the Elemis cleanser. The Dr. Brandt face cream. The brow styler. Then the Woke eye mask. I mean, this will be good for a Sunday night. I do like to do self-care, so I mean, I will use it. It's just not uber exciting. And then the Avant lip serum, the body gel, and then this hippie smelling soap. You know what it smells like? Thrills gum. It smells the way Thrills gum tastes, if you know what I mean. The purple gum that tastes like soap. That's exactly, it smells like that tastes, if that makes sense. So that's kind of nostalgic. Now it makes me like the smell. So that was my June BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE unboxing. It's finding it really hard to keep my opinions to myself. I gotta work on being a little bit nicer. That's how I feel. And you know what? 50 bucks American is a lot in Canadian, especially when I get multiple boxes from multiple brands. So that was it. That was the June BOXYLUXE. And I appreciate you watching and listening to me rant. If you would like to watch more videos of me ranting or subscribe, you can click here. You can click like down below, and there's more videos here and here. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. It heard me talking crap about it. Look what it did. The whole box just broke and dumped everything everywhere. It's my life. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.